everybody, welcome to my living room tour. If you are new to my channel, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to stick around and check out some of my other videos. I received so many comments during my Christmas video saying show me your house, and I find it to be super awkward to do that, but why not? So I hope my design inspires you, but just for the record, I am not a designer. I just do what comes natural to me and what I feel. So hopefully what I've done inspires you. But let's get started. Let's start with this back wall. The first thing I did was I hung a valance. Is it a balance? No, I hung a Roman shade. I think it's a Roman shade. And I ordered it from this company. I think it was blinds.com or something like that. And they sent me an ivory one, even though it was supposed to be white. Some people think that white and ivory are the same colors. Well, guess what? They're so not. They're not. Have you guys ever had this happen? But I did my best to make it work anyway. I think it came out cute. And I also added the crown molding on top of that. But I think I'm gonna buy some different fabric and switch it up. Let's swing over to the other part of the wall. This wall was made of plaster, so it was really hard to hang a flat screen TV on it. So I came up with a really cool idea to build a wall on a wall. Yeah, I got those skills from my mom. My mom was a former general contractor, and she taught me how to build things and use tools and things like that. So love you. Thanks, Mom. I bought this fireplace to go into this wall, as well as be able to hang my flat screen TV with the cords not showing, because it just looks so much better without the cords showing, and it's so much cleaner. And I dropped all the cords down to the left bottom of the wall, so they all come out of one hole. And then I added a light to the top of this wall, as well as the crown molding. So yeah, I added 2 brass candle sconces on the sides of the TV, along with this amazingly fabulous looking white vase. How gorgeous is that? It's tall and it has all these beautiful curves, just like me. Okay, I'm just playing. But I added this tropical plant I got from Lowe's. The vase I got from the flower market downtown LA. So they were like, are you gonna put this at a event or something? I'm like, no, I'm gonna put it in my house. They kind of looked at me like I was crazy, but I think it's such a beautiful pot. Very beautiful. And these wood floors, I had those installed as well when I moved in. Check out this rug I got from Overstock. It is so cute, right? I originally bought it for my bedroom, but then I just tried it out in the living room and I like it. And I actually just got it yesterday, so it hasn't really acclimated to my house yet because it's kind of flipping up, as you can see. But I think I might just keep the sheepskin rug on the right in here instead. I don't know, we'll see. It's kind of a shimmery silver. It's so cute. And it's not really gray. It's not a dark gray like it looks on the camera. It's actually a shimmery silver. As far as the seating goes, I wanted something durable, so I purchased these 2 wingback chairs, as well as my sofa that's got that easy to wipe off material so that it doesn't get dirty. But I always add a throw to my chairs so that no matter what, if someone sits on the throw, you can always wash the throw. And the sofa is easily cleaned with alcohol and a clean white cloth. And this table I got from Z Gallery. So cute. I got it on sale. But the sofa I got from Macy's, and the 2 wingback chairs I got from homedecorators.com. So yeah, and those, you see the white throw, I actually leave those on the sofa for people to come over, put their feet in, and just wash the throw, and it's no big deal, and it stays white. The white throw, as well as the crochet blanket, I got from Amazon, and it's so soft, you guys. It's so soft, but I don't think you can wash that one. Those gray pillows that you're seeing throughout my house in other videos and stuff with the little rhinestone in the middle, I actually had those made at a furniture store here in LA. I got these other pillows on the couch from Home Goods, and they are white with like this, silvery pattern on them that kind of ties in the rug. I am so sorry about the lighting, you guys. The sun keeps coming out and then going out, and then it's cloudy, and then it's dark, and then I have to keep switching cameras, so it's just thrown off. I'm so sorry. I'm really new at this. This is my 7th video so far on YouTube, so hang in there with me. I'm learning. Now I got these curtains from Overstock as well as these curtain tiebacks, super cute. I ordered the curtains in white and they came in ivory. And you know how I feel about that, but they were 109 inches long. I really like long, thick silk curtains. They really make your living room or any room look super classy. And next to each window, I decided to add 2 mirrors, one on each side, and I got these from Lamps Plus. A chair like this takes my center stage, and I love this chair. I cannot wait to take pictures and Instagram it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm gonna love it. Speaking of Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at Almond Summers. I cannot wait to shoot in this chair. It is so beautiful. I got it from Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description area underneath this video for you guys. The rug I also got from Amazon. So yeah, and the mirrors on the wall, those I bought from Z Gallery, and they're very unique. They're very expensive and they are very hard to clean. So keep that in mind. I styled it with the red flowers and this cute little ceramic vase on top of these cube floating shelves. I think I killed it on that one. Kind of cute, right? Now, you didn't think I was gonna forget the accessories. No living room is complete without having some fun accessories. I found this beautiful white and gold octopus at Home Goods, along with a box to keep my remote controls in from Z Gallery. I didn't know they had it at Home Goods at the time. Probably way cheaper. And then the candle, guys, if you have not smelled diptyque candles, you must try them. They smell so good. I got those finials to the left from Living Spaces, and then this beautiful silhouette looking lamp from Home Goods. They have some really amazing lamps. They really do. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I could just go crazy in that store. And then the car that's on the table, I got that one from Home Goods, as well as the 2 candle stands, the gold ones, and then the white urn. As for my coffee table and my end table, I actually wanted something simple with clean legs and lines. I didn't want anything too big, especially because of a busy rug or anything like that. I like the simplicity of coffee tables, so I went with a glass coffee table and a glass end table that I got from wayfair.com, and yeah, they really add to my space. Now, in my living room, I always like to keep some type of edible, be it candy, fruit, or something for my guests when they come over, because that's the kind of girl I am. But I just think that every living room or space that you invite people over should have something for them, no matter what. But that's it, you guys. I'll have to do a bar tour in another video, but I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my living room tour. My living room is always, as well as my house, a work in progress. It is never finished, but I do hope I have entertained you and with my tour and inspired you. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to rate this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye.